That's awesome right there. That candid one was really cool. And it should relax your shoulders. Should relax it. There you go.
I was trying to sit up or stand up straight.
It looks fine from here. And then it's gonna be a slight smirk, just a slight, and then a smile. All right, let's see. Let's check it out. Let's review. I like that one. That one looks like Tyler. The Tyler I know.
Nice.
Let's see. Looks good. Just because it will pick it up. The camera will pick it up. No, that's good. Cool. There you go. Is that a scam? Scam likely. Love it. Stay just like that. 1, 2, and then a smirk. Like you're building up a smile. Yep, there you go. Whatever she's doing behind me is perfect. Let's see. That's working. That sigh doesn't sound too happy. You like it?
No, that's just my breathing problems.
Oh, okay.
No, it's good. I like that.
How about that one? I like that one too.
I think I like that one. I will not love any of them just because it's me, right?
That's me too. I feel the same way. I feel like I don't like my pictures.
You point me in the right direction, and then I'll give it.
Take it from me.
If decision maker.
If I didn't know Tyler and I saw that picture, I would like it.
I like that.
I think Tyler looks great there.
Cool.
What do you think?
No, I like it.
Cool. Okay.
Let's do the one with the hat.
One hat, and we're good.
That's totally Tyler.
I could do one shirtless.
That's perfect. That could be Tyler too. That'll be for your OnlyFans.
There we go. More streams of revenue, man.
Right? And then go for it right there. One more time. And then a nice little smirk. And a smile. Develop a smile. There you go. I got you there. I think I got it. Yeah, look at that last one. That's Tyler.
I like that one. That one's my favorite.
I was waiting for that moment. I was like, let me capture it. And it's there. And that's the one.
Cool. Okay. Cool.
You good with that?
Yeah.
All right.
Hell yeah, dude.
Cool, cool, cool. All right. So technically, they're already edited. I just need to get, see, like as much as we did, you see how it all picks it up?
Yeah.
But no, so I don't know if you realized last time I told you tether, so this is not the original image. The original image is.
No, I'm seeing what it's doing.
So that's original.
Yeah.
This is after.
It's insane. It's so cool.
But
what a great workflow.
Did you know that as a new user for eVoto, you can save some money as long as you use my affiliate link to eVoto? Click on the link below in the description. You're going to find the eVoto link. Sign up and save some money. I noticed that that's like where you defaulted to, so I noticed like that's your spot. That's what you want to do.
This is my side.
All right, we'll do that.
We'll try this side, but I think
No, if that's your side, that's your side. I'm never going to, yeah. Let's center your necklace a little bit more.
Let's do that.
Yeah, that looks really cool. Now, also, I know it's a headshot. Do you want me to shoot from like here a little higher, or do you want me to go a little lower?
I don't care.
All right, let's go a little lower, just a little bit, just to give you some options. I'll do vertical. How about that? Let's test it out one more time. 1 sec. All right, ready? 1, 2, and 3. Tilt your head a little bit this way. You gotta look happy. This time, chin down a slight bit. Perfect. Hold it right there. 1, 2, and 3. One more time. Hold it. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see how that looks. Give me 1 sec. They're just adjusting right now. So when you're shooting tethered on eVoto AI, you can set a preset where it automatically edits the photo to your liking. So there's few little edits and changes that I've made for her preset, which is why it takes about a second or two for the photo to come in, as you can see on the bottom right of the screen. All right, let's have you come a little closer to the reflector right there. Stay right there. I'm going to adjust it one more time.
He's recording, by the way.
That's okay.
She's like,
no, you're good. I don't care.
no.
All right, hold it right there. That's actually perfect right there, Trish. That's awesome. All right, we'll do it one more time. 1, 2, and 3. Do you want to do a center shot? Yeah? Want to try that out? All right, go on yellow so we're symmetrical.
On the yellow?
Yeah, just like that. All right, ready? 1, 2, and 3. Hold it right there. You look like a boss. You look like badass. Like I'm about to whip your ass. But this time you got to smile a little bit, more inviting. Ready? 1, 2. Awesome. One more time. Hold it right there. All right, guys. I apologize here. I didn't expect to drop this video. This was going to actually be an exclusive member-only video, but I'm dropping it. I'm sharing it with you guys. So I do apologize about people covering the video. Look at that one right there.
That's pretty good.
With the white. Edits applied already.
No, I like the white, yeah.
It looks great to me.
I mean, Ray, you can be like, just get the fuck over it. That's actually how you look all the fucking time.
No, I said because when I was taking the picture, I realized you kind of were squinting a little bit. So just look here, like look in this general area. You don't have to worry about squinting because it looks perfect right there, just as you are right there. So hold it right there for me. 1, 2, and 3. Let me just test it out real quick. Make sure it looks good. Stay right there where you are. See, that looks much better there. I'm gonna get my lighting a little lower. Yeah, that looks way better.
Oh yeah.
So you see how you weren't squinting?
Yes.
Let's try that again.
Okay.
Let me just move my camera. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. And then a slight smile. 1, 2, and 3. And then look happy. 1, 2, and 3. Awesome. Let's see how that looks real quick. I like that one way better.
Oh, that is good. That's nice. See?
Much
That's
better.
better. Yeah.